Have you been seeing ads claiming that JellyFil Supplement can naturally boost testosterone, increase stamina, improve libido, support fertility, and completely transform male performance? Before you spend your money, there are some important facts you should know. JellyFil is promoted as a breakthrough men's health formula, but when you look beyond the marketing, the evidence becomes much less convincing. While the supplement contains ingredients that are commonly found in men's wellness products, there is currently no high-quality independent clinical research proving that the finished JellyFil formula delivers the dramatic results advertised. Another concern is the way the product is marketed. Many of its promotions rely on what appear to be fake doctor endorsements, AI-generated advertisements, and customer testimonials that cannot be independently verified, making it difficult to separate genuine experiences from promotional content. Some advertisements also create the impression that the product is FDA approved, but dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA before being sold, so these claims can easily mislead consumers. The marketing also promises major improvements in testosterone, stamina, fertility, energy, and overall male vitality within a short period. Yet such bold claims should always be treated with caution because results vary greatly from person to person. Another red flag is the heavy use of countdown timers, limited time discounts, and urgent sales tactics designed to pressure buyers into making quick decisions. Reports also suggest that similar formulas are sold under multiple brand names with nearly identical marketing, raising further questions about the product's uniqueness. At the same time, some users report satisfaction while others say they experience little or no noticeable benefit, showing that the real-world results are far from guaranteed. Based on the available information, JellyFil cannot confidently be called either a miracle supplement or an outright scam, but its advertising appears much stronger than the scientific evidence supporting it. If you're considering buying JellyFil, take time to research the ingredients. Consult a qualified healthcare professional if needed. And don't rely solely on flashy advertisements or extraordinary promises when making your decision.